Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Ainsley News. It's Tuesday, Crypto Tuesday, the 9th of November. On-chain data suggests more gains for crypto. It's been a strong week, hasn't it? Bitcoin has had a remarkably strong time lately, consolidating between $59,743 and $64,242, holding on to almost all of October's gains. As the Bitcoin price coils into what appears to be a very tight bull flag, the on-chain market continues to show strength in supply dynamics, whilst on-chain activity remains well below bull market highs. The market strength is demonstrated by a variety of on-chain metrics. Long-term holders have distributed a very small fraction of their holdings, as is typical in all prior cycles. However, despite hovering just below all-time highs, on-chain activity remains only marginally above bear market levels, meaning that there's a lot more room to move on the upside. Additionally, exchange balances continue to drain, and miner hash rate and USD revenue are approaching new time highs. This combination of robust supply dynamics, mining network recovery, and relatively low network activity points to a fairly constructive outlook for Bitcoin over the coming weeks, which will naturally drag the rest of the market up with it. On-chain spending behavior has slowed down the long-term holder net position change metric, which has been in a large accumulation period since April this year. The rate of LTH, or long-term holders accumulation, reached over 400,000 BTC per month for around 5 months through to late September, and has now returned to a neutral level. This indicates that over the last 30 days, long-term holder supply is flat on the net, and an equivalent volume of coins are maturing into long-term holder status, as they are being spent out of it. We can see similar spending behavior in the spent volume age bands, where the dominance of coins older than 1 month has risen to 6% of total on-chain volume. Note, however, that levels of 6% were commonplace throughout much of 2021, and especially in Q1, where it reached over 10% as the bull market powered higher. This metric highlights that whilst older coins are increasingly on the move, the market appears to be absorbing the sell side without any issue. Note also that bull markets can often sustain this elevated sell side pressure for some time before topping out. When the long-term holder selling pressure eases, the BTC price will be released and able to go into substantial price discovery phase. Demand dynamics in the bull market tend to come in 2 phases. Smart money accumulation, pre-all-time high, where on-chain activity is low, supply dynamics remain constructive, and most spending looks to like strategic profits are being taken. Another point 2 is hype and euphoria, or post-all-time high. As media coverage of the asset increases, retail trader interest rises, and on-chain activity starts to climb. Older, more experienced hands generally increase their distribution from this point onwards. Both the sell-side supply dynamics described just now and the demand dynamics that follow both speak strongly to current market characteristics still being of the first phase. Smart money accumulation, albeit closer to the transition out of this phase. The first evidence of this is exchange net flows, which continue to demonstrate a remarkable dominance of outflows. Outflows have accelerated this week, reaching over 5,000 BTC in net withdrawals daily. As a result of continued exchange outflows, the aggregate BTC exchange balance has fallen to multi-year lows of 12.9% of circulating supply. Even as Bitcoin consolidates below all-time highs, exchange reserves continue to lessen. So it looks like everything is aligning for a few big weeks in the crypto world. Perspective was offered by crypto analyst TechDev, who posted a few charts for us today, comparing the price action during previous bull cycles to the current market. You can check them out at ainsley.bullion.com.au for all of our news. TechDev suggests the possibility that a parabolic blow-off top could come within the next couple of months for Bitcoin if the current cycle plays out similarly to the last 2 bull market cycles. Great stuff there. And very exciting times for Bitcoin if you're holding in that environment. If you are interested in buying any Bitcoin or even selling, jump over to ainsleywealth.com.au. Interested in any physical stuff, gold, silver, and platinum, and also checking out all of our news, ainsleyBullion.com.au and goldsilverstandard.com for our own crypto, built and backed by real gold and silver. That's right, built by Ainsley. Enjoy your day, everyone. We'll catch you tomorrow for more news.